Hello guys and welcome back. So today I have another video for you. This one will be a clothing haul and it's in collaboration with a company called Chifave. So just as a side note, I need to say that I'm actually a bit sick. I have a bit of a cold, I guess. You want to say hi? No, no. You want to stay with me? No. Oh, my little. I miss her so much because while we were in Bali, she stayed with our friend. I don't know why all suddenly I got cold after being back in Edinburgh, so maybe it's the wind, maybe it's, I don't know. I have my cuppa in here and yeah, it's very lemony and I love it. Anyway, now going back to this video, all the items I will show you today are in the size medium, just so you know, for reference. I feel a bit puffy right now anyways because I was eating a lot in Bali, but still with Asian clothing companies I like to size up just to, you know, everything to be okay. I actually really like the pieces that I selected and I was really impressed with the quality when I opened the package. So Chifave is a clothing company that sells through AliExpress, so they have their store in AliExpress, so you'll find all the items in there, but I will link everything in the description box. So I'll start with actually my favorite thing from this entire haul. I really like this dress. This is this dress, which you will see in a close-up. But basically it's made of, I believe it's cotton, just cotton, plain cotton. But what I like the most about this dress is details, because it has these buttons in here on the side and I think they look really nice, really interesting. And also the neckline, again, is like on the side. It's great for summer because the material is kind of thin. It's not really see-through, it's just, you know, thin enough to be breathable for summer. And I like the stripes. I really like a good stripy material, and also the blue, this like lighter blue with white, also looks really nice. It's also great that it has this elasticated band, so you have an elasticated band on the waist, but you also have like a belt made of the same material, so it's great. You can just tie this. Up next I have a blazer dress and I picked up this white one, or I should better say ivory, because it's not really, you know, that arctic white, it's more like an ivory color. It's definitely more like a structured blazer dress because you have the shoulder pads in here, but I do like a good shoulder pad because it gives a bit more definition to the shoulders, and you know, the body looks more balanced, I guess. Length also is quite good, and I really like this button here. I don't know, for some reason it reminds me of like 60s maybe. These kind of buttons, I really like them. The material itself is definitely, you know, just a bit thicker because it's lined inside, and the material itself is a bit thicker, so it's more like a springy kind of blazer dress, or maybe for summer nights. And again, I love that we have a belt in here. Kinda like a belt. You also have some pockets, but this thing, it's awesome because again you can create that hourglass kind of shape, which I like. Moving on, I have another summer dress and it's this one. So it's like a black material with white flowers. I don't know exactly what kind of flowers are these, but they look nice, fresh in a way, even though this is still, you know, black color. This is not lined, so it's definitely a bit see-through, so I guess more like a lacy black bra will do. However, I'm not sure about the bottom part of the dress because again it's see-through, but you know, with some nice lacy shorts I think it's okay. And actually, because of this material, it's very summery because it's really thin. I guess you could wear something like a mini slit dress underneath this if you really want that coverage, but like for going out at night, I don't think it's quite see-through. And also if you go to like the beach, also has this in here on the bust, which I think is great because you can adjust basically the bust area. So if you have a bigger bust, you can make these a bit loose and, you know, it will fit nicely. Or if you don't have anything like me, you just keep it like this. Another dress, and this one is quite similar in terms of material with the blue and white one. So this time we have red and white, so the same material, but the shape itself is different because you have all these ruffles in the first part of the dress, first half, and then it just goes like a straight dress, like a tube dress. I actually really like these ruffles. I think they look really nice, especially if you have a smaller boobage, because you can create the illusion of bigger ones if you want to, or you know, you just like balance out everything. You have like a bigger part maybe, and especially with the belt around, everything looks really nice. And again, this one is really nice for summer because of the material, and also the shape is like a shorty dress, and it's just easy. I like these dresses because they're easy. And the last thing for this haul, it's actually a set, and it's composed of two parts. So this is for the upper part of the body for cleavage, and this is made of I don't know how you call it, but it's again very elastic, like a waffle material, I guess. And then you have the skirt, which is made of the same material, but you don't have ruffles at one end. Now this one is definitely longer in terms of length, but this one I just don't like how this looks. I just don't like it on my body. I don't think that it's very flattering. I really wanted to like this because I've seen many girls wearing something like this, and yeah, it's just not for me. I guess I will stick with my dresses that have elasticated waist. And that's it for this haul. I know, short and sweet, I hope. And by the way, let me know what you think of these kind of sets. Do you like them? Do you wear them? Do you want to wear them? Of course, I will have more information about Chifave in the description box, maybe here on the screen. But yeah, don't forget to check them out to see what they have in their store, because they have many amazing items. And I shall see you in my next video. Take care and bye!